So I'm starting to use, and today actually I started to learn how to use Adonis.js. That is like a Laravel framework, but in the JavaScript ecosystem. They use TypeScript, and basically the same folder structure that is used in Laravel, it's used for Adonis. It's using Adonis. And one of the first things that I'm doing is trying to make a better design that I have been used, because design is not something that it's like really easy for me. It's something that I struggle with. So I'm looking for better ways for more ways to improve my designs. And I know that this is a pretty like basic design, but this design was made really fast, and that's what I want to show you right now. So while I was like learning how to use Adonis, I was also looking to, well, improve my design abilities. And I found this video. It's from AI Labs, and it explains several methods to use AI to improve your designs, or how to make good designs with AI. So the video has 3 methods in here, and I'm combining them to make it useful for Adonis and how I like to develop. So one of the pages that it's shown in here, it's TwigCN. So TwigCN, it's a library of themes for ChatCN, that is a library of components for React. And since I'm using Adonis, I cannot use this directly. So I'm combining this with Claude so that I can use it with Adonis. So what do I do in here? So you go to twigcn.com and you can select the theme in here. I'm not going to modify it because since I have in here some changes, I don't want to lose them. But this theme, it's the elegant luxury theme. I just modified the font, and I think that's basically all. So in here, you go to code and you can copy all of this code, but I cannot use this directly in my project because since ChatCN it's for React and not specifically for Adonis, I need to make some adjustments, and I'm going to let the AI make the adjustments for me. So I go to Claude, I don't know how to say it, and I wrote this. That it's basically the same from this video, from the first method, just with some adjustments to work with variables and values instead of images. That it's how it was made in this video. So I wrote this and I pasted in here this code. Okay, so I'm referencing this code, and I told him to make a design system. This design system, it's going to be a file that it's going to have how the design of the web app should be, like the directive and components. So it gave me this. If we use it, this is what it gave me. You can see the format, the layout. What else? We have the font family or the font definition, shadows, and color usage. So it's giving like the rules for the design of the web app. So I just copy all of this. I think I copy it in here, and I went to cursor just to, let me go to cursor. So in here, I'm in cursor. I pasted this in design.json. So that's the file, the name of the file, and I just pasted. And then I went to the home page. So in here, like right now, it's not showing this one. So it was the modified version. So now I have the original one, and this is the original design. So now I went in here, and I'm going to say with Control L, it's going to open this, and I'm going to write in here. I have it in here. Change all the styles in add home.edge, that is this one, following add design.json for the design. So this following this design system. So I just send this, and it's going to start making the changes. It's going to analyze the files, and it's going to make the changes. To be honest, when I was using this in the first time, it entered like in a loop, like in an infinite loop, and it was telling me that it's going to retry and make the same file again and again. So I just stopped it, and got the last file. And to be honest, it was good. Like it was the design that I was expecting. So I just kept that design. So right now it's making a file in here, and it's going to change all of this to the new version using the styles defined in design.json. And the AI is doing it in a way that I really I'm not comfortable with, that it's adding all of the design in just one page, that is this page. To be honest, I would like to separate some of the design, maybe not everything, but some of the design to app.css and have some of the design in here. But for now, I'm not going to complicate this, and I'm just going to let it add all of the styles in the same page. There's no issue with that. This is a new project, and I can make the adjustments like later on when I start, when I understand more how to use Adonis, because this is the first time that I'm using it. And yes, it's similar to Laravel, but it's still, I need to understand better where are the files, and mainly what are the difference between PHP and JavaScript for backend. Okay, so it already made the changes, and I think that it's already, yeah, it finished. So I'm going to accept all of the changes. So it's already saved, and I'm going to go to the website in here. I'm going to reload it. And to be honest, this is not what I was expecting. It is still missing, I mean, it's using the background color and the shadow and this color in the background of these images, but it's missing the color or it's missing some buttons. Let's see what does this do. So I'm going to tell cursor to add some buttons following the design system in at design.json file. So I'm going to send this, and let's see if it adds some buttons. So as you can see, it finished, and it's explaining the changes that it made. I'm going to accept the changes. Let's reload this. And now in here we have the different buttons. To be honest, I really like them. I like the padding. I like the colors of the primary button, the secondary button, the outline buttons. I also really like the sizes. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results. Now I can start using these buttons and these components all over the web app. So now what I'm going to do is I need to have a structure to reuse the components, and that is some of the changes that I will be doing while I'm working with this new framework, and when I design my own starting template for other projects, to avoid going through this with each new project. So that's all in this video. Hope you like it. Please let me know what you think in the comments or send me a message, and see you later.